If Firefox has changed the way your downloads open and you want the old download dialog back, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore the download dialog in Firefox using a simple, advanced setting change. This is a quick fix and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and browser tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox and click into the address bar at the top. Now type about config and press enter. This takes you to Firefox's advanced configuration page, where you can change hidden browser settings. As soon as the warning page appears, click the button to accept the risk and continue. Firefox shows this warning because these settings are advanced, but don't worry, we're only changing one specific preference. Once you're inside the About Config page, use the search box and type browser.download-improvements_download_panel. You should see that preference appear in the results. This setting controls the newer download panel behavior in Firefox. To change it, click the toggle or the switch next to the setting and set it to false. In some versions, you may need to click the icon to switch the value off manually. Once it's set to false, the change should take effect right away. At this point, you can close the About Config tab and test a download in Firefox. When you download a file, Firefox should now bring back the classic download dialog behavior instead of the newer panel style. If it doesn't update immediately, try restarting Firefox and testing again. That's all there is to it. You've now restored the download dialog in Firefox in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Firefox tips, browser tweaks, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.